Welcome back to the Alibaba Success Guide, and in this video we are going to be discussing having your product shipped. Now you typically want to have your sample products shipped directly to you or to a PO box so that you'll be able to get to them quickly, get them, and then test your samples so that you can go through the process so that you'll figure out whether or not you'll want to deal with that supplier. However, when you're ready for your major order, you'll want to have it shipped directly someplace where it can be stored and categorized. Now, most sellers are going to use Amazon FBA for this process. This would mean that the product would be stored and categorized by Amazon. This would also mean that you wouldn't have to have the product around your personal residence. And this can be very important because you don't want to have product in your personal residence where it could be damaged, where something could happen to it, where you could actually start to lose track of some of the inventory. You want to have it someplace where someone else is going to be accountable for it and it's going to be in a location ready to be sold. Now, for more information about the Amazon FBA process, you can click the link inside of your clickable document. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.